I want to share with you in terms of when I had to write job ads and ask for certain types of experience, to certain types of skills. And when a person writes a job ad, you actually have to write it in a way that there's always some sort of underlying message or underlying meaning to it. For example, this is going to be a fast-paced environment. It means that if there's going to be constant changes, it's not always going to be the final one, there's going to be other changes. That's what it means. So there's always an underlying message, even in the job ad, or just actually speaking to someone. So the question, tell me a bit about yourself, is actually a lot more deeper than people think. And those type of questions, what people think is pretty much the tip of the iceberg only. Okay, they just want to know a bit about me, right? But it's actually layers and layers and layers underneath the question. And it's those layers that a lot of people don't realize. And when you realize, if you can actually answer those layers to a person that's asking that question and tick off those layers without them actually probing into it, that's how you win in any conversation, in any sort of meeting. And that's how you win people, because you've just dug into the deeper layers that they either they're looking for or even weren't even looking for. So when you can dig into those layers there, that's going to make you stand out to anyone else that is, I guess, that they meet or they're thinking of hiring. And this is key to make you top talent. Hi everyone, my name's Ty and thanks for watching. If you want more career advice, hit that subscribe button or leave a comment below, and yeah, I'm happy to create videos around those comments, and stay tuned for more videos.